Students, here I Priya Sacha welcome you again in my online Pathshala for class 7. In the previous video I told you about multiplication of decimals. Now today I am going to discuss division of decimals. Before starting, I would suggest you all to please like and subscribe this channel, so whenever I upload my next video you will get the notification for that. Don't forget to write your name, class and section in comment box for daily attendance. Right, so now come to the topic. Same chapter, fractions and decimals, division of decimals. First point, dividing a decimal by 10 or multiples of 10. Yesterday we have done multiplication decimal by 10 or multiple of 10. So in that case, while dividing, what we have to do, a decimal number by 10, on dividing a decimal number by 10, move the decimal point by one place to the left hand side. In multiplication, we are moving to the right hand side, and in division we will move to the left hand side. This is the difference. So here, when you will divide 52.947 by 10, then you have to just shift this decimal one place to left hand side, because we are dividing by 10. Clear? So what will be the answer? Answer will be 5.2947. 5.2947. This will be the answer. Clear? Second point, dividing by 100 moves the decimal point by 2 places to the left and so on. So if we have to just divide any decimal number by 100, then we have to just place that decimal 2 places to the left hand side. So where we have to shift our decimal? In between 2 and 0, after 2 place. So 1, 2, 2 place of decimal, here decimal will come. So what will be the answer? 2.031234. This will be the answer. Clear? Similarly, when you have to divide it by 1000, any decimal number, when you have to divide it by 1000. So in 1000, 3 zeros are coming. So here you have to shift your decimal to the left side, 3 place of left hand side. So what will be the answer here? Here only 2 places are there. So what you will do? You will write 0.014. Clear? 3 place you have to convert to 2 places are given, and 1 place you can increase 1 0 and then you will put decimal. So it will be 0.01483. Clear beta? Now next is dividing a decimal by a whole number. Step 1. Start the division by first dividing the integral part of the decimal number by the whole number. First you have to divide integral part by the whole number, and then second part, once the integral part is over, place the decimal point in the quotient and resume the division. So what you will do, by taking an example I will explain. Now divide 194.88 by 12. So this decimal number you have to divide it by a whole number. In that case, first you will divide 194.88 by 12. So first divide the integral part only, whole part only. Clear? So what will come first? 12 ones are 12. Then subtract, 7 will come, 9 minus 2 is 7. Then you will write 4. Clear? 74. So what you will write? 12 6 are 72. then subtract, what will come? 2. This is your integral part. Clear? Now integral part we have done. Then we will place this decimal in quotient. Clear? And then we will continue with the next number, that is 28. Clear? So 12 2s are 24. When you will subtract, 8 minus 4 is 4. And then we will write next 8. Clear? Then 12 4s are 48 and cancel out. So your answer will be 16.24. Is it clear, beta? Now next, dividing a whole number by a decimal number. Step 1. Here you have to divide a whole number by a decimal number. So in that case, step 1 is first convert the decimal number into a whole number by multiplying it by the appropriate multiple of 10. Second step, then multiply the whole number by the same multiple of 10. Then third step will be the divide the numbers. Clear? So for example, divide 225 by 1.5. So what you will do, first you will write 225 by means upon 1.5. Then what you have to do, you have to convert first convert the decimal number into a whole number. This decimal number you have to convert into a whole number by multiplying appropriate multiple of 10. So here after decimal, one place is there. Clear? So you have to multiply it with 10. If after decimal 2 place will be there, then multiply it with 100. If after decimal 3 place will be there, then multiply it with 1000. Clear? If you will multiply 10 with the denominator, then you have to multiply 10 with the numerator also. Clear? Now next step will be multiply these numerators. 225 multiplied by 10 will be 2250. Clear? And denominator becomes what? 1.5 into 10. What it will be? It will be, first you have to multiply the numbers only. 150 will come. And then decimal you have to shift one place to right side because we have to multiply. Clear? So decimal will shift here. Clear? So what you can write here, 2250 upon 15. Right? Now cancel out, or you can divide. Any method you can apply here. I am cancelling these numerator and denominator by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. Clear? And 3 5s are 15, 0. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 0. So answer will be 150. Is it clear? By taking another example, it will be more clear to you. Then what you will write first, you will write 6 upon 0.003. After decimal, there are 3 places. Clear? So here you have to multiply it with which multiple of 10? 1000. So here you have to multiply it with 1000. When you will multiply it with 1000 with the denominator, then you have to multiply it with numerator also. Clear? And when you will multiply, what will come? 6 into 1000, 6000. And when you will multiply 0.003 with 1000, only 3 will come. Clear? And then divide it. 2000 will be the answer. Is it clear? Now next is dividing a decimal by a decimal. If both numbers are decimal, divisor and dividend. If both are decimal numbers, then in that case step 1 will be first convert the divisor into a whole number by multiplying it by appropriate multiple of 10. Same step which you have done previous. So next second step is then multiply the dividend by the same appropriate multiple of 10. Then proceed with the normal division. Clear? So here by taking an example it will be more clear to you. So if you have to divide 37.26 by 1.8, here you can see both numbers are decimal numbers. Clear? So what you will do, first you will write in fraction form 37.26 upon 1.8. Clear? And then you have to convert this denominator decimal number in whole number. So which multiple of 10 you have to multiply with 1.8 to convert into a whole number? After decimal there is one place, so you have to multiply it with 10. Then same number you have to multiply it with numerator. Clear? And when you will multiply, after that 1.8 into 10 becomes 18. How? 180. 18 into 10 is 180, and then you have to place decimal, and decimal for multiplication you have to shift one place to the right side. So here decimal will come. Okay, so it becomes 18. And in case of numerator 37.26 into 10, what you will write? You have to shift again decimal to the right side, one place to the right side. Clear? So what it will be? 372.6 only. Is it clear? Now you have to do division. 372.6 you have to divide it by 18. 18 2s are 36. When you will subtract, 7 minus 6 is 1, 3 minus 3 is 0. Then you will write 12. Clear? 12 is smaller than 18. Then you have to increase 0 in quotient. After that, integral part we have done. Now after that you have to apply decimal in quotient. And then you will write next number, that is 126. It becomes 126. Clear? Now 18 sevens are 126. Cancel out. So your answer will be 20.7. Is it clear? Now I am giving you from exercise 2E question number 268. Sum number 268 even parts, and question number 11, 12 and 14. That you have to do in your notebook. If any query, any doubt, then you can write in comment section. PDF of this home task is also available in the description below. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.